Hey, Will Shirts here with Methodical Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to make an ice pour over. Today I'm using the Pink Lady blend. I love it. I say that a lot, but this is washed Ethiopia, natural Ethiopia, blended up together. It's really citrusy, juicy, has a lot of berry notes in it. It's fantastic. It's really amazing for iced coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with 28 grams of coffee. I'm going to use 280 grams of water, but this ice here is already weighed out. It's 170 grams. So that's everything we're dealing with here. Let me weigh out the coffee. Very nice. And we're using the Fellow Ode grinder, which I love. It's like really blowing my mind. Grinds super fast, it's very quiet, and it has a detection where when the coffee beans are gone, it knows that and it stops the grinder. Check it out. Very nice. All right. So I used like a medium fine grind, like a table salt on this Ode. I believe this is on 5. All right, I'm gonna tear out the scale once I put my coffee in it. And then once I get my coffee in here, I'm gonna shake it out so it's level. Some of you might notice I didn't pre-rinse my Kalita filter. So with Kalita filters, they're so thin that if you don't pre-rinse it, it's okay. Usually, when I'm making a hot coffee beverage, I will pre-rinse it to help warm up my vessels. But in this case, no need to warm it up. So I'm going to get started with the bloom. It's going to help all the carbon dioxide release from the ground coffee that is built up in the walls of the coffee bean. And right when I start pouring, I'm going to go ahead and start my timer, and I'm going to pour 50 grams. And at the 30-second mark, I'm going to go ahead and pour 100 more grams of water into my Kalita wave here. And I'll start in the center, and I'm pouring in circles, and I spiral out towards the edge of the Kalita, barely touching the filter, then spiraling back in. Keep on doing that until I reach 150 grams total. Then at 1.5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and pour the remaining amount of water to make a total of 280 grams. Here we go. Starting in the center, spiraling out towards the edge, back towards the center, until I reach 280 grams. Okay, and now we just wait. So I said that the Pink Lady tastes really nice as iced coffee, and I think it does. It's really citrusy and juicy and fruity. But honestly, I would just experiment with any of our coffees. Our Blue Boy, our Belly Warmer, a lot of our other single origin coffees. We like to use every coffee for every brewing method, and really just base what coffee you choose off of the flavor experience that you want. All right, so we're done brewing. And by now, almost all the ice in the bottom of the vessel will be melted. So I like to have a glass full of ice waiting for it, because I'm just going to go ahead and pour all this into the glass. And you'll see my coffee bed in the Kalita is really flat. And that's what I like to see, because I like to see that the water brewed over the coffee evenly. So I'm going to discard that. Go ahead and pour it in. Very nice.